So this drill is going to help us restore the function of being able to flex and extend our neck, which is my head going this direction and my head going backwards. And it's going to help us lengthen the front structures and really start to work some sort of sensation in the backside in order to pull us into that direction. And I really like to do this drill when your head is hanging off of something. One thing to keep in mind is we don't want to push into any sort of pinching sensations towards the backside or any signals going down the arm. So if that's happening, we're going too far. This drill is essentially meant to be done for one continuous set, put a timer on, going for roughly 30 seconds to about 90 seconds. So I'll show you the setup. So we lay on our back on a bench or off of a couch. And I want to make sure that my upper back is the last thing that is touching the bench. Flip my hat so we can see what's going on here. So I'm going to start with my chin towards my chest. And I'm going to slowly tuck my chin towards my throat and drop the back of my head towards the ground. And then I'll slowly start to release into neck extension. And I'll allow that lengthening to occur in the front. And I'm going to actually actively pull through the backside. So it tightens up the back. So as my head is going down towards the ground, I feel more sensations through the back as far as like tightening and squeezing a muscle as if you're doing a bicep curl, but for the backside of the neck. So once I've gone all the way down back here, I'm going to reverse that. I'm going to slowly start bringing my chin up towards the ceiling and lifting my chin towards my chest. Nice and slow. Once I've brought it to as far as I can without having to do a crunch, then I will slowly start to reverse that again. So I'm going for repetitive motion over and over again, really slow and controlled. There's no reason to rush this and get a bunch of reps in. But that timer will eventually go off after about 30 to 90 seconds, depending on the endurance that you've built through the cervical spine. And this is a phenomenal drill to be doing after you've done some cars and the mobility in that neck and really start to expand it more and more.